Hare Krishna. Today I'm coming up with a very unique topic. This is my Japa Mala, and I'm going to tell you the importance of this mala as well as how do you keep this mala? How do you, wherever you keep it in your home temple, on your workstation, how you are supposed to, keep it. That's something which is very, very important. So you see, we have this Japamala, and you see a small sumeru coming out of it. This is not by chance. This has to be like this. Now, the head bead in a mala is known as sumeru, and there are 54 beads on the one side and 54 on the another. So this is the head bead. Why 54 on one side and why 54 on the other side? You see, when the Sagar Manthan happened, you know, the Sumeru Parvat, there were 54 Devatas on one side and 54 Asuras on one side. So when you do japa, when you chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantras or be it any mantras that you do, technically you are trying to pacify the Asuras in your life, right? And enhance your devatas in the life, all the deva rajasic qualities, and also eventually if you've not crossed the rajas level, you cannot go to the sattva. Until you've not experienced the rajas, you will have no capacity to leave rajas. That's the biggest truth of the life. And then you go for all the rajas qualities and slowly you move on to sattva. That's the catch, that's the beauty. So this sumeru has the balance of energy. So whenever you're keeping your japa mala, after you've done the japa, what happens is, suppose the mala is inside. Now what you do is you put your hand in the mala and try to find out the Sumeru, right? Where you get the Sumeru, and then you start, taking the one finger out and start, doing the japa. That's wrong. That's where, the energy, the protective layer of the mala is gone. So whenever you have done your mala, when you've done, X number of rounds, you take out the Sumeru, like this little bit one, head bead known as sumeru outside, the mala in this fashion, and then probably you can hold it like this, and then you can rotate your mala, lightly and put it like this, and then you can keep it like this. Wherever you want to keep it, just keep it like this. And what happens with this is this, head bead sumeru keep on, giving you an aura of protection around you all the time, right? Wherever you're going, traveling, you're sitting on a desk, working, you have a lot of negative people coming, you have negative emails coming, management, everyone around you expecting more than you can give to them. That's when this Sumeru helps you. That's when, the japa, the aura of your Nam Jap is coming out of it through this headbeat and protecting you. This happens during travel also. This happens, during the walk, or if you have it in your bag, if you're traveling, or, hanging in the, in your uh, neck. Even then, just one headbeat Sumeru should be outside. That's the perfect way of keeping the mala with you all the time, right? I hope you like this small video. You'll change your practice from today if you hold, the mala and the potli with you. This is what I wanted to give you. I don't know what, thought I have in my mind that I should be giving it to you. So I'm giving you this knowledge. I'll come up with another video. Till then, Hare Krishna, Har Har Mahadev. Thank you very much. Thank you.